okay?
It's fine. Because I promised that I was going to videotape this.
Oh, yeah, got a mugs.
I can't wait. I want to show you this.
Okay, let's see.
So I promised, let me just introduce myself. Welcome back to DELACREMEDELA. This is an unboxing. I promised you guys that I had some good shit coming that I wanted to show you. And it just got here. So I'm sitting here with my neighbor Erin and baby Ashe, baby Della. And we're about to go ahead and unbox this shit.
Baby lion.
Nishu y'all and Jing Nishu nama. All right, let's see what we got here. So I went to the CÉCRED website and I took one of the quizzes on the website about my hair goals and my hair problems, and they made some recommendations and I bought everything they recommended. So let me show you what they recommended. So and it's like in the order of the shit that you need to use too.
Oh, that's nice.
So the first thing is this bomb-ass clarifying shampoo.
Oh, I love the simple bottle.
And shout and clout. Oh, isn't it beautiful?
Bottle. Yes.
It's beautiful.
Oh, obviously this is CÉCRED. Obviously, this is CÉCRED. So I got first that clarifying shampoo, right? And my friend Erin does hair, so like, you know, you got the expert right here.
How the hell you open this
How
bottle?
do you open it? Is it just top
I don't
open at the top?
know. I'm afraid to break it.
I don't know. I have to
How
ask
do you open
Beyonce.
that? Yeah. Hey, Beyonce, how do you open your bottle?
Beyonce,
girlfriend?
how you open this bottle, homie?
No, this one's got a pop,
Okay.
right? I
What
think.
is this one?
Oh, there.
Smells good.
Oh, yeah.
And
That's
all her
weird. How do
stuff
you-
is like ritual based, which makes it easy. Do you hold the bottom?
That's what I was wondering.
Hold this part right here.
Okay, right here? Okay.
Okay, that's not it.
That's not it.
What happens when you just turn this?
See this? Let go. That's what I was trying to figure out. Does it just come off? Like,
Oh my God, I don't know.
That's what I was wondering. See, okay.
Does anybody know how to open this bottle?
At least this one has a pop top.
Oh my God. I would appreciate it if you didn't touch. Thank you, baby. So we got the clarifying shampoo and scalp scrub. That's step one. And then if you know anything about it, you know you got to follow that up with a hydrating shampoo. So we got one of those too. What you think? He's reading it to make sure it's legit.
I didn't get my glasses.
It look all right? I got some right here.
Hang on, let me go get mine. I got
I gotta put mine on
my
too.
eyes aren't as good as Tariana.
Let me put my glasses. Look, let me put mine on too. Let me get my glasses out too, so we can read this stuff. What's up, baby?
Now I can see.
You saved the seat.
Yeah.
No.
Let me see. Let me set this down. Not unless you say Mr. Aaron.
Of course.
There you go. Let me move this. I told you about that, honey.
Here, let me help you with that. I'll help you with that. Here, let me help you.
I'm not even gonna edit this video. I'm just gonna throw it up the way it is.
Just the way it is.
So whatever happens, happens.
You're welcome.
All right, so we got our glasses on now.
Now we can read ingredients.
Do you mind being on camera?
No.
Aaron is the expert. You could tell by his hair. So he's checking the ingredients and everything to make sure we straight. I would love to know how to open that bottle though.
Yeah, me too. That is like really trippy.
Like what the heck?
Yeah, like what the? What's the weird design on that bottle?
I don't know.
It's like, is it? No, it's not just a pop though. It can't be just a pop because it would pop easier.
Oh, there it is. Oh.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, I love
There we
it.
go. That's
So
how
you
do
could put it on your scalp.
on your scalp.
Oh, because it's a scalp shampoo, a scalp scrub.
There you go.
Let me see.
That
What's
goes
top?
right on your scalp. That makes
It's
sense.
probably got a top on the inside.
Oh, that might have. Yeah, now we finally got that off. They can probably get in there.
Right.
Yeah, because this had a little pop, the little top too.
Oh, I can't open it. Let's see if they
You
that
make it
strong.
some. You got it.
Hold on, just hold it for me. There we go.
There you go.
Let's see. Let's see what we
Smells
do.
like mint.
It's like, oh yeah, mint's good for your scalp. That's for sure. That would work.
Oh yeah, that's what we're talking about, that tea tree oil.
Absolutely.
It's probably got some tea tree oil in it. Ooh, that looks like
Nasty.
for a good time. Oh, I like that. Ooh.
Smells like mint.
You want to smell
Honey
it?
carotene, yeah.
You can smell it, right?
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
That's gonna be perfect. That's
that'll be
toothpaste.
cooling. It'll be cooling on your scalp.
Toothpaste for your hair.
Yeah.
You smell it?
Like
A lot of good ingredients in here.
It
A
smells
lot of
like
good
tooth-
I
ingredients.
told you her stuff is all ritual based, so.
It smells like toothpaste and mint.
Yes, it does, doesn't it? It
Now, how
does.
did I get the
And that'll
top?
make your scalp feel really cool, really nice.
So
and
you
cool.
pop it on and pop it off. Okay, so extra. So that's that one right there on my leg. And then there's the hydrating shampoo.
A lot of good oils in
And
it.
then I think there's, what did we do after that? A conditioner and a hair oil. So this is the moisturizing deep conditioner. And I'll let Aaron vet that.
Very good.
I'll let Aaron vet that. And
Cellulose.
there's a reconstructing treatment mask. So we'll see.
Terpia bark. That's what's got this smell.
What's that? I'm
Oh, tea tree.
guessing.
It does have
Tea tree, yep.
Which is Melaleuca.
Melaleuca, okay.
That's what it is.
Excuse me. So this one, this is not a deep conditioner. That's what it says.
It is not.
This is not, because I think this is a mask.
Probably lightweight. Yeah.
This
Oh,
one
yeah.
says, apply the hair, leave on for 20 minutes, add heat for best
A
results.
lot of good oils. That's what the stuff right where it works good. It's a lot of good oils in it.
Heck yeah. And then,
Add heat for best results.
so this fermented rice and rose protein ritual, I actually use, I make my own fermented rose water. I've been doing it for a long time. It's helped me grow my daughter's hair quite a bit. But I decided to go ahead and get this because it comes with the pre-mixed, pre-fermented rose. And it's got the rose and the fermented rice. So there's step 1, which is the protein powder.
Oh, that's really good.
Look how thick that is.
Wow.
Ooh.
Oh yeah. it's a lot of plants.
A lot of plant
oil.
stuff.
Yeah, plant
And
oil.
then step 2 is the silk rinse.
Not that one.
The silk rinse. And each box of this comes with like 4 treatments. So I think I got 5 months worth. And on the website, you can only buy 5 boxes. You can't buy any more than that. I wanted to get 6 because
that's why I gotta be real careful.
I tend to be in relationships with older men and they have a lot of wisdom. So I've gotten used to buying everything in bulk.
Yeah, let's go inside.
Oh, you're going to have a happy
Yeah,
leg.
there you go.
Sit down and don't touch nothing else. Uh-huh.
That's
I think I did tell you don't touch it, didn't I? I'm pretty sure I did.
She did.
Let me
You
get
know
this,
she is. She's a kid.
let me get this up off
You know how
of you.
they want to touch everything.
I'm telling
know
you,
how it
they don't
is.
like to get popped, but they sure do like to
Yep.
touch.
Well, let's just go ahead and
You
take
look
the
like you
lid
having
off
a
that
good
one.
time
Boy,
over
no
here.
kidding, huh? Looks like somebody's having fun.
Ooh, that's the hair mask. Ooh, that's thick too.
It smells good too.
Oh, yeah.
Don't touch nothing else for me, okay?
Okay,
Let me get this back up off of you.
Put it in here now.
Might as well, shit.
Put it in now.
Put it
Be
in
showered
there.
in a minute anyway. We'll see how
Shoot.
it feels.
So I got about 5 of these because I think you use them once every couple
Let's
weeks.
go
I
inside.
usually do.
Let's go inside, honey. Don't let it off your hands.
Yeah, y'all have fun.
Okay.
I usually do the rose.
Sorry, that's my fault. I should have that.
You good?
You're good.
I usually put the rice water in like once a month, once every 2 weeks. So let me see what this one says. It doesn't say how often to use it. So I'll probably use this one like I do now once every 2 weeks. Because I'm working on growing my hair, and if you want to grow your hair, you need more protein. And that's where the rice water comes in. So I got a few boxes of that, and I also got this nourishing hair oil. So Aaron had a chance to check out and vet, and my daughter obviously touched and opened the treatment mask, which is really nice. It smells good. It's nice and thick. And then the that's the deep conditioner right here. That's nice too. That's the deep conditioner. That's nice. I like that. And then the hair oil. Let me go ahead and open that up. Let's see what's popping. Y'all good?
Well, she's good.
All
All hands are off.
Thank you, Aaron. I appreciate you.
Aaron's the best.
Thank you, honey. I
I love
appreciate
it.
that.
You mean Mr. Aaron?
Oh,
I don't know why. She just don't like to show that level of respect.
that's okay. She's fine. She can call me Amy. She's fine.
So this is the hair oil. It's an African oil
She doesn't tell you
blend
all the ingredients on there.
with moringa, black seed, and baobab oil, sea buckthorn oil. I'm gonna let Aaron enjoy
Oh, that
reading
does
that.
feel good.
It does.
I can tell.
It's
yeah.
soft, right?
Oh, yeah, very soft.
And then this is
Very
the
light.
hair oil.
Oh, there you go. Yeah.
Wow.
It's
And
very
it's
soft,
very
huh?
soft like a
Very
dog.
soft. Like a dog.
You see what them nannies be saying? Ashay said I had fat cheeks. Like, get over it. She says a lot. Here go that one. You might want to get a thicker skin if you're going to hang out with Miss Shay. Because she going to let you know. Ooh, it looks good, too. I'm excited about that.
Ooh, African oil blend.
Blend.
Baobab, moringa, and black seed.
And it kills down the list, too. There's more.
Buckthorn, castor oil. Castor oil.
You know that castor oil going to keep that moisture
Very
in.
good, absolutely. Sunflower seed oil, watermelon seed,
Ooh.
olive oil, sweet almond oil. Ooh,
Oh, that's
I
the
love
good
the smell of
stuff.
that, yeah.
That's good in your
Flaxseed
ears,
oil,
too. That almond oil is good in your ears.
jojoba, argan.
Jojoba.
This stuff's got everything in it.
And you know,
Coconut.
all of that shit is in plants out there in the desert.
Absolutely. Oh yeah, jojoba used to be really big out here. You don't hear about
No,
that
you
much
can get
anymore.
jojoba over there at the Boyce Thompson Arboretum.
You still really okay?
Yeah, they
Yeah.
have the jojoba, the osatillo, the
Yeah, we grew up.
They
with all that
have
kind of products here.
what's the other one that's on here that I saw? The jojoba argan.
Argan,
They have
yeah.
that. They have the bushes. No, the argan is a nut. That's not here. That's
Yeah,
Morocco.
argan is a nut. Yes,
That's
it's
Morocco.
Moroccan. Yeah, Moroccan is the first product to use it. Moroccan oil.
Mm-hmm.
First
But
one
that
to use
jojoba, they have a whole.
Oh, that's good to see.
A
Yeah, 'cause
whole
they grew up
bush.
with it here.
Yeah, one day we'll have to go out there. It's
That'll
about an
be
hour
fun.
away. We have a membership,
Oh, that'll be fun.
and they actually have signs that show you how each of those are used, what medicines they're used in. Like they got a
That
whole
sounds
grove full of
fun.
medicinal plants at that arboretum. Yeah, it's really dope.
That'll be awesome.
You want to check this out? Messiah,
yeah,
do not
let's
touch,
see.
please.
Okay. But can I smell?
You
You
can.
smell. Here, you just gotta be really careful. Open it up there. Oh, it just smells like oils, honey. There's no smell in that, which is
oils.
good. It's no good. It's
Which
'cause
means
just
it's not
the oils.
bullshit.
Yeah, it's not bullshit.
Ain't no
Just
bullshit.
Oils. It's just
She
oils.
didn't put no perfume.
No,
or anything.
no, that's
you
okay.
don't waste
'cause
your
you don't
time
really
with
need
stuff
all
like that.
Yeah, you don't need that. That's just for people that are really healthy.
And
Yeah,
when she
I got
said
5 of these.
Which one is that one?
This one is no, this is the rice, water, and rose
Oh,
ritual. It's got the protein in it for the
really?
hair growth. I was so glad it recommended that because I wanted
wow.
that.
Oh, it's got like little. Oh, I love these kind of things.
It's a 2-step.
Yes.
It's got the powder.
Ah.
One is a powder and one is a liquid.
Powder. Oh yeah, I see. Okay. Oh, I see. Step 1. Okay, Okay.
And this
powder
is
step
glass,
1.
so it's definitely
Powder
a do
step
not
1.
touch, Ashay.
Now, what is this for? You use this in bath or what?
No, that's hair.
Hair?
Yeah, I make my own rice water at home. I usually use it for protein treatment after shampoo.
Interesting.
And this one is saying every time you shampoo.
It has rice and rose. Interesting. Okay.
If you take a little bit of rice and soak it,
Yeah.
rinse the starch off of it and soak it in water for about 30 minutes, it gets a lot of the protein out. And then you leave that water out for a few days, it ferments.
Have you ever had horchata?
Of
You know what
course.
that is?
Yeah, I just had some a couple days ago. Real horchata.
I make my own. Yeah.
Oh, do you? Yeah, I know you do.
Oh, yeah, of course
I had
do.
some real horchata a couple days ago. I couldn't even drink it. It was so freaking sweet. Anyway,
You
I'm
can
gonna let.
adjust now when you make it homemade.
I'm telling you, I just want more cinnamon and maybe a little vodka,
I put
some tequila.
Well,
Okay.
Vodka.
Shoot, you ain't seen no eggnog till you seen some horchata.
Absolutely. It's like rice pudding liquefied.
Oh my God, she had some a couple days ago. We didn't even finish it.
You didn't finish it? Did you like
Nope.
it? You like that stuff? Yeah.
You love that
It's good.
horchata.
You know what it was for? For tummy aches.
Oh really? I didn't know
Yeah,
that
tummy ache.
because it sure did make my tummy swell with all that milk in it.
Well, that's true. Well, see, like this one, because usually they use like the sweetened condensed milk in it. No, it's not milk.
Yeah,
So, when you
they've
make
been
it
using
homemade-
milk
Yeah.
or
Usually
powder.
they
I don't
use
mind
it
if they use a
concentrated.
powder because it doesn't hurt my stomach.
There you go. Yeah, they
But-
also sell the little packages of it with the powdered form. Yeah,
I want to learn how to make it.
Yeah, I like it homemade.
What is it? Cream? cinnamon,
Cinnamon,
vanilla.
What you do with and vanilla. Yep. It's like
Okay.
same thing you put in rice pudding.
Cause I learned how to make that fresca crema.
Oh yeah, crema fresca.
Yeah.
With the
The
cream without being sour
strawberries.
cream? Or
No, with the strawberries and the cream, the thick.
Oh, fresa. Fresa.
Fresa.
Fresa is strawberry.
Yeah.
Fresa.
What did I say?
I don't know.
Fresca.
Fresca.
Does that mean fresh?
Yes.
I made that
I got
fresca.
some fresh berries.
I don't know what the heck I'm talking about. I made that crema fresca. Anyway, y'all, I wanted to share this unboxing with you guys. Share with you some of these products just in case you've been curious about what Beyonce is up to and what she has to offer. I did have a new bottle of Saint Noir come yesterday, but you guys have already seen that unboxing, so there was no use in unboxing that for you. But for now, that's all I got.
Ain't that no?
There you go, girl. All right.
There's a big bee over there.
Ooh, it's a big one.
Oh yeah, big black.
Don't come over here.
Oh yeah.
Please don't. You don't want to die
He likes my
today.
plants. It comes around every day.
I said
No,
don't.
he don't bite.
Look.
He never bit me.
They come over. No, they don't have stingers.
Yeah, no, he don't bite.
They don't bite. They just annoy.
I know. I just hate mosquitoes.
They annoy.
That's the things. I get eaten
We get into
alive
that
with
mosquito
mosquitoes because I'm O
season, too.
positive and they love O positive blood.
I'm O positive too.
You too? Oh, do you get attacked by mosquitoes too? Oh,
I
yeah.
do. I thought it was. My daddy said it's because I was sweet.
No, well,
He said that's because you made out of sugar.
That's right. Where our blood is, that's for sure.
That's because you made out of sugar.
That's why you made out of
I was
sugar.
the only one in the whole family that got a check.
Really?
O positive one in the family.
You know who doesn't have mosquitoes? Las Vegas.
Really?
They do
have
not have mosquitoes in Las Vegas. Nope.
Are they just
I don't know what it is.
interesting? Well, you should,
Talk to anybody from there. They'll confirm it. There are no mosquitoes in Las Vegas. It's just not a problem they have.
It's like plants and grass. I mean,
Oh, I got some of this too, but we'll talk about that later. Anyway, I holla.